Crypto Cody, my brother, how you doing tonight?
Dude, I'm just like so pumped right now with everything going on. This is crazy.
It's crazy, is right.
Yeah, I know.
Bitcoin
Bitcoin's
almost hit
it's
35,000.
it's flying, dude.
It got up as high as, yeah, like, let me get you the exact number, but just about 35,000. It's crazy. I mean, right now it's just below 33,000. It's nuts. Just out of the blue, Bitcoin decides to, let's gain a little ground back here. So
yeah, no, okay.
I'm just blown away. I'm super psyched, and then Ethereum, I think, is moving on up the charts too. It's above 1,700.
Yeah,
so
it's insane.
Rising water raises all ships.
I know, no kidding. How high do you think it's gonna go?
I don't know. I mean, looking at the chart, man, from the last few days, just call it the last week, Bitcoin's pretty much gone from like 27,500, where it's settled right now at 33,000. It's gained almost 6,000 in the last week. 25% gain, maybe more. Let me see. But I'm just pumped.
Yeah, take a look at it. It's so it's so funny to me too, because like
jump.
Yeah, but we knew this happens every single year. Every single year, October just is such a pump month.
Oh, the cycle. I know it is. But look, in October, excuse me, started off slow, man.
Yeah, it did.
We started off struggling in October. I mean, in the last 7 days, Ethereum's up. 10%. The last 24 hours, Ethereum's up 6%. It's at 1,760 right now, almost 1,800.
Yeah, that's insane. Oh my word.
Total market cap's almost 1.3 trillion now. So this is a nice little bump. And then I can see we're going to have probably a little correction. Prices will go back down a little bit, and then it's just we're gonna start doing the stairway to heaven.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
Oh my gosh. What does everybody else think? Is anybody even watching this right now? If we got people watching, I want to see it in the comments. What do you guys think Bitcoin's gonna hit?
What do you think it'll hit by December 31st? Do you think we've seen the peak for the year at 34,800? Or is it going to go to 40, 50, 20? What's your opinions?
I know. I want to know. What's the history? See, you're on your computer right now, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Tell us about the history of BTC in the month of December. Okay, this will be fun. No, this will be fun. Check this out. All right, I want you to look this up. The last Bitcoin halving. Okay.
Yeah.
Look up the last Bitcoin halving, and then go back before the Bitcoin halving happened the last time. Go back to the month of December 31st. What was happening right then?
All right, hold on.
I want to know. I want to know what that's all about.
December 31st of 2020, because the halving was in all right. So, all right. So
this is going to be so much fun to find out.
The last week of December of 2020, really? Bitcoin was closed at roughly 30.
All right, show us with your phone. Show us with your phone.
All right.
Yeah, just point at your screen so we can see it.
All right, hold on. Let me
if you got to flip it around, you can flip it around.
Yeah, I am.
I want to see this because I'm like really curious. And then let's go to where, I seriously think the month of October probably is exactly what we're seeing right now.
Hold on. I'm having technical difficulties right now.
Technical analysis, Bitcoin. Brian's having technical difficulties with his cell phone.
Yeah, it's not. I can't get to it. Yeah, I was trying to get to the camera so I could.
Oh, there you go. I see it now. See it now.
I was having some, like I said, technical difficulties.
Yeah, see, there it is.
So here we are. This was on a weekly candlestick. So, you know, right there is Monday, December 28th, 2020.
Yeah.
And you know, if I go to the top of that wick that day, that was at 34,500.
Dude, zoom in a little bit. That's really interesting. Holy crap, dude. Look at that. That's what it was?
Right here. So right here.
That's
right. That's Monday, January 4th, 2020. And the top of that wick was roughly, what's that right there? Where that blue dotted line is? 41,000.
Wow.
That was January 4th. December 28th, it was 34,500.
That's it right there. So yeah, so there's only reason to believe. There's only reason to believe that this thing's going to take off on it's going to continue all the way. It's going to continue its way up towards the halving. I mean, that's just,
yes, it is. And I mean, I figured it was going to be about 45,000 at the halving, which I still think is a good number because we're going to see this go up, but we're always going to have a correction. So, you know, it goes up and then it has to come back down and retest that resistance it broke through. It's going to come back and retest it as support and then shoot up off of it. Or it's going to break that and, you know, it'll still stay as resistance. But I think that's why the markets fluctuate. It's up and down.
Yeah.
Rocket ship. There's Crypto Cody going to the moon.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I'm just like taking a look at stuff. That's why you can't see me at the moment.
I mean, look at Ethereum. So this is like in the last 24 hours. Uh-oh. Pepe coin's taking off. That meme coin. You know, these are the big movers the last out of the top, you know, coins 24 hours. But yeah.
It's exciting, man. I know everybody's probably looking at their wallets right now being like, what the frig is going on? This is not
right.
This is not normal.
Yeah.
I'm used to nothing happening.
Right.
It's happening, guys.
Oh my gosh, it's happening. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride.
Hope you guys enjoy Thanksgiving when it comes up. Because, man, there's going to be an Easter egg.
Oh, my gosh. Right? Wow. Yeah, what's nice is...
I'm so pumped about this right now.
I know. I'm trying to get another chart up here. So, actually, I'm going to look at something real quick. I'm going to see what the Bitcoin dominance chart looks like.
Oh, yeah, let's check it out. I'll bet you it's probably staying pretty even because it's just...
Because what? Yeah, it was what, around 52% last time we looked at it?
That would make sense.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to clean up a chart a little bit here. I'll flip this back around for you guys.
Hey, if you guys think that Bitcoin's going to continue to go up, hit the like button on this video. If you guys don't think it's going to continue to go up, then comment why, because I want to know your reason why you don't think it's going to go up. And if you guys think that it's going to go up and you're super excited about it, then subscribe to this channel because we want to talk about all that excitement with you. There's my little marketing strategy to get people to actually like our video, Brian.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's great.
It is. I don't know, something I'm definitely having some computer issues tonight. It's like
it's because crypto's taking up all the bandwidth.
It's just bogging everything down. It's you know, I wanted to try to it's not letting me enlarge this chart. Anyway, I'm going to show this chart anyway. So this is the Bitcoin dominance versus the altcoin. It's still going up. You know,
dude,
so
look at that.
53.2% now. So, but that's going to be going down. I think definitely it's going to go down once we hit the bull market.
Oh yeah, we got to have a healthy correction for sure.
So this is the precursor to the bull market. I think it's giving us a little taste. Here, taste this. See how you like that.
But see how fast it goes though? That's what's so crazy about this. You know, And
right?
people are not going to be prepared for this. That's what's so crazy, is that so many people that sold in the red are now freaking out because they want to buy back in, because they're all excited about buying back in.
I don't think I'm prepared. And you know me, I've been trying to every little bit I've been trying to buy, and I still feel like I want more. I don't have enough. I want the prices to stay low just a little while longer.
Yeah. Are we ever totally prepared? Oh, my word.
I know, right? So check out this one. This is one of my holdings too. So this is crazy. Teller, right? I think the last time I talked about it, it was getting ready to go up. Well, it's gone up. It's now at $87.
Holy crap! 24.
Just 3 months ago, I was buying this token for $12 to $14.
Holy crap! Yeah, dude, that's so.
I know, you know, and we're not even in the bull market, and coins are starting to do this. You know, do your research, and you know there are a lot of diamonds in the rough out there.
No kidding. Seriously, alt season is on its way right now.
Oh yes, definitely. Yep. So figured that was a nice little thing to show too. You know, positivity.
No kidding, dude. Seriously. Oh my word. I want to check out. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, no, there's so many different coins. I'm actually, if there's any coins that you guys want us to review, throw it down in the comments, because we definitely want to check out whatever.
Oh, definitely.
Actually, as a matter of fact, if you guys have any comments for us to check out something while we're live right now, let us know and we'll check it out right now.
Yeah, I can pull something up. Give us some type of idea where it's going.
Yeah, seriously.
So there's another one I want to do. I'm going to do a review on at some point, is Maple Finance. And it kind of moves against Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up. It was going down a little bit. I actually had to order that filled today. In the midst of all this big, you know, bullish movement with Bitcoin, this coin actually went down a little bit. You know, it's almost a micro coin. You know, it's ranked what is it ranked 436? You know, so but Maple Finance, it's at 555 right now, just a little above where my order filled.
I always love that icon. Such a good icon. I always love that icon, the little pancakes.
Oh yeah, maple. Yeah, maple syrup, baby. Nothing but the real maple syrup, though. You know, so I think this one has a lot of potential, and it's actually 91% below its all-time high, which was just back in April of 2022. This is a new one, and it deals with DeFi. So yeah, I think in the next couple of days I'm going to do a review on that one.
Dude,
so
sick.
Anyway, but you can see I started picking this up a couple of weeks ago. So
we got a video that we're going to be putting out here pretty soon that Brian went over for synthetics.
Yes, I did. Yeah,
just so we're gonna be putting that out. Check that out really quick. Let's see what synthetics is doing right now. I'm curious about that.
All right, here we go. We'll pull that up. I'll flip this around here.
Anybody into synthetics? You guys like that crypto at all? We'll be sending out some information about that.
I liked it. I got into it at the wrong time. I was looking at it near the peak or just after the peak of the bull market.
Yeah.
So, but I think it's a solid project. So right now it's going up. It's 223. I think when I was checking it out, it was like 217.
Rank 57 right now.
It's up 5%.
Nice.
You know, so yeah, this is this coin also deals with DeFi. So maybe that's my theme for the week: decentralized financing.
Yeah, right. Seriously.
Yeah. So I made a video on synthetics, so I hope you guys check it out.
We'll be putting that out pretty soon. Here, let me see. I'm gonna do here. Check out this news. I'm gonna share the screen really quick.
All right.
It's always exciting, different news that's coming out. All right, check this out. You see that?
Yes.
So Bitcoin tops $35,000, hitting 16-month high. Options, let's see, has a further run. Traders have gotten very optimistic that a Bitcoin ETF will get approved in the United States. I think a lot of people are expecting to see that by January, if I'm not mistaken. So, or no later than January, late January or something like that of 2024. And
Really?
then Bitcoin surges past 35,000 Monday, hitting the highest price since May of 2022. Can you believe that? We are seeing history being made for the price of Bitcoin for the year of 2022 into 2023. That is how long it has been, Brian.
I know, it's been a while.
Like today is the day that we're actually seeing Bitcoin hitting an all-time high for literally over a year.
Yep.
So Bitcoin was recently up more than 11% on the past 24 hours of 32,316, pulling back from its peak of its surge, but still up dramatically. So, dude, this is crazy. I mean, this is massive.
So I read another thing today about BlackRock. I'll probably get the terminology wrong, but it's about initiating their seed money, or that's the wrong terminology, but they have to be purchasing Bitcoin to get ready to have the spot ETFs. So they're doing that because they told the SEC they were going to do it in October. So they're starting that process now. So
yeah, wow.
It's more like maybe a formality, but it's still a big step. So I wonder if some of that news also, sparked this nice increase we've had in Bitcoin in the market in general.
It must have. I mean, there's so many things that are happening. It's like, I don't know if this is such a morbid thing to wonder, but like, you do wonder if, like, with all the war that's broken out, if it's actually kind of caused a lot of people to like default to crypto in some respects. I don't know if that's a possibility or not.
I think it's a possibility in Ukraine. I think in war zones it might be, because you get some people, they remember their seed phrase. They don't even have it written down anywhere. And if they have a wallet and some type of device.
Well, you think about Israel, you think about all these Pakistani areas, you think about Ukraine, you think about Russia, like all of these countries that are in deep conflict right now. It's a scary thing to have all your money in the bank. Well, to have all your money in the bank.
Everybody forgets about Syria too. Syria is still a mess. Afghanistan. Yeah, there's no banking in Afghanistan.
Well, and it's like, okay, let me ask you this. Like, think about this for a second. Let's just assume hypothetically that our country, we actually start having war on our soil in the United States of America. Okay? And all of your money, let's say 85% or 90% of your actual USD is in a physical bank. It's connected to your most trusted bank. Like, but that we're about to hit the ground running with war, like actual war. Like, what are you going to do? Are you going to leave it in the bank?
Are you going to take it out? Is the bank going to let you take it out?
Huh?
Or is the bank even going to let you take it out?
Well, I don't know, but I'm just saying, like, if you have an inkling of a like.
So so one country's already solved that. El Salvador, Bitcoin's their country's currency.
I know, isn't that insane?
Right?
Seriously, I mean, that's not going to happen with the United States, but it does make me wonder, though. Like, most people are going to take their money out, probably just like shove it into a safe. Maybe. I mean, that would cause a massive collapse in the banking system. It really would in general, so that you're probably right. The bank would probably freeze all accounts until, the chaos stops, which is completely against our Constitution anyways. But it just makes me wonder, though, like, do you ever wonder, like, what exactly is going to happen to all of to the financial system? What happens to the financial system when you're at war? Like, that's an interesting thing.
I don't know. So another thing I heard here, I'm going to show you something. MicroStrategies now has a positive balance sheet because Bitcoin got over $30,000. But can you read that?
Yeah, Grayscale holding 627.
Grayscale. Look who's number 2 right now. U.S. government, 207,000 Bitcoins. Then Mountain Gox still has 200,000. Then Bitfinex 196,000. And then there's the Chinese government that has 194,000 who banned crypto.
See, I don't know if these,
right?
I don't really know if
that one.
These cannot be true numbers. I mean, maybe.
MicroStrategies, I've gone on their website. They have 152,000 Bitcoin. And then I don't know who Block One Holding is, but look at Robinhood. There's a surpriser. There's your, there's your sleeper right there. Robinhood Holdings, 118,000 Bitcoins.
Yeah, well,
Robinhood
took off.
Hey, what? Steal from the rich and give to the poor. That was his thought, right?
Yeah, I don't know if that's necessarily the CEO's philosophy with Robinhood, but yeah, I mean, it is interesting to think about. I mean, they're sold out. They're sold out to the centralized, exchanges. So that's what they are. Actually, as a matter of fact, if you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, you're not actually buying Bitcoin. You're just buying stake in Bitcoin, essentially. Unless that's changed. I don't know if that's changed.
I think they changed. I think you can I think you can send and receive crypto now.
I just remember I never bought it because I want to actually hold actual Bitcoin. I don't want to hold, I mean, I understand that people like to have security, hence the whole excitement about ETFs and all that stuff, but I don't know.
So so when PayPal said they're selling cryptocurrency, I'm like, I got to check this out. So just to do it, I did buy some Bitcoin on it, and I bought it at the right time. So I did make a little bit of money on it, but just to do it, you couldn't set the price. It was just like a market buy, but I just wanted to see how it worked. So I bought a little bit, and it was cool, but now all the platforms, or most of them, a lot of them are doing it. They're making Bitcoin more accessible to everybody, or a lot of people. I wonder how many people have access to Bitcoin or the ability to purchase crypto in the world.
How many people have access to what?
How many people have access to crypto in the world? So I guess the question is, how much of the world's population has the infrastructure, so the internet, Wi-Fi, cellular, whatever, to go ahead and be able to use cryptocurrency, digital currencies? Because you need technology to do it.
A lot more than meets the eye or meets the eye of the wallets. I mean, what it comes down to is the education portion of it, which is why we're doing this whole thing. This whole channel is about trying to help educate people. I mean, we're not professional educators. We're not financial advisors. We're none of that stuff, but we want to help educate people in the best way that we possibly can. And that starts with do your research, get up with the times, figure out what's happening with technology and finance, because otherwise you're just going to continue to be in the bucket of crabs,
Yeah, I know what you're saying. My kids are just coming in. So anyway, and Lauren, all right, I'm on a video here.
Hey, say hi.
So Cody says hi. Everybody say hi.
We're talking crypto live right now on YouTube.
We are.
Tell them to go on YouTube and like the video.
Crypto Cody. Oh yeah. Where's your brother? All right. So anyway,
dude, this is exciting. We're gonna have to do. We'll have to definitely keep a good eye on this. We'll maybe do some more lives, some more videos that it'll come out as this continues to develop. Because, dude, I think we're gonna see some corrections here. But this week alone might continue to take off in a big way for crypto. It might.
Good.
I mean, this is Monday. We're talking about Monday.
Huh. So 65% of the world's population has access to the internet. There
that's actually a lot less than I thought.
Billion internet users in the world as of 2023.
Wow.
So, wow, yeah.
That is crazy.
There's another 2.5 billion out there that don't have access.
Yeah, I mean, that Elon is the one who's trying to fix that.
Oh yeah. Well, hey, it definitely has helped out Ukraine.
Well, so is Zuckerberg. I mean, that was the whole point of Zuckerberg, was trying to connect the entire world with Facebook. But Elon's trying to actually give access to the world of internet.
Yep, definitely. So,
which is insane. And that's only ever going to continue to help the progression of crypto and blockchain developments and all that stuff. but it's going to be interesting to see. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty psyched about this week. So quick analysis on this coming week. As far as the weekly chart goes, pull up a weekly chart on BTC. I'm curious to see your thoughts on any kinds of resistant lines with Bitcoin on the weekly, because I haven't looked at it myself, but I do wonder if we actually have some pretty bullish looking analysis on that.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I had everything closed up. So on the weekly, you want the weekly?
While Brian's looking this up, anybody who's watching this video, please do us a solid, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification, because we want to invite you to be a part of the Bitcoin fam. We are like all about community, building a community of Bitcoin believers, crypto believers, people that want to be a part of the growth.
We're on the leading edge of evolution of technology, of the financial system growing.
Yeah, we want to be a part of that.
All right, so here we go. This is weekly wicks, right? So
wow, look at that.
You me moving my cursor, all right?
Yeah.
So here we are right here. It peaked at 35,000. You know, now we're hovering around 33,000. So if this holds and we turn this level here, like the 30,000, 30,500 into support, and it bounces off that, we're going to see $45,000 crypto by the end of the year.
Woo-wee.
If this happens if this holds the next month, say the next month, the month of November, we ride right between 31,000 and 33,000, you know, using this 31,000 as support. If we have that support and, you know, we get one of these weeks like we had, that could go from 35,000 to 40, 45,000 pretty quickly. I mean, look what we did. We went from 27,000, we hit 35,000, you know, in a month.
But we've broken that resistance line.
We did, but yeah, actually we did for one wick. I like to see a couple of wicks above that. So
if we get a couple of wicks above that, that is so bullish.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's on the weekly chart. So the daily chart, you know, that's
we've already got a couple of wicks for the daily chart, so that's huge.
A couple of wicks for the daily chart. It is. And look at this right here. Those moving averages is just starting to shoot up. So
yeah, they
again,
are.
Yeah, we got 2 days. Actually, no, we got today's wick. That's at the support or resistance, which probably is going to turn into support now. So once that, you know, turns into support, then this thing
we might see a quick dump, you know. But what I think though, is that people are resetting. You got to think about this. People are resetting all of their buy prices right now. They're trying to reset them. So you know, I think that's but they're going to reset these buy prices, which is going to establish a whole new support line. So this is kind of a historical day for Bitcoin in a you know, on the daily. It definitely is.
I could see this dump go down. I could see it like a quick correction where it goes back down and gets near the 200-day moving average, going back down around 27,000, 28,000 in that range. Yeah. So, but anyway, it'll be just interesting to see. I think we're going to keep some of this momentum, or at least start going sideways here for the rest of the week.
Yep.
And then we'll have to see where we're at come Friday. Yep.
I want to take a quick look while you're doing that. I'm actually curious about one other thing. I'm actually curious. Hold on. So, you know, I'm curious about, oh my goodness, dude, check this out. This is crazy.
All right. What did you find?
Oh man, I can't wait to show you. Hold on. I got to bring it back. So used to doing like the computer stuff. Yeah. So check this out. The fear and greed index right now.
Oh, really? Has it changed?
Oh, it's changed. It's dramatically changed. Look at that.
Oh, everybody's getting greedy.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. If you're trading
Bitcoin
it,
Fear and Greed Index, 66 positive right now.
Right.
Woo! Crazy.
So once it gets about 80%, that's when people are like, oh, I better get on now before I miss the boat.
Yeah.
You already have.
So this was posted by the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, and you got a lot of people that are responding.
I'm not adjusting my prices. Like Cody said, we're not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. It's our opinions. But I'm not buying Bitcoin right now. I'm going to wait for a correction. I'm not moving my prices yet. I'll wait. It starts going sideways, maybe starts a new channel. Well, I'll figure out where the bottom of that channel is, and then I'll move my price. But
I'll buy Bitcoin right now.
I mean, yeah, and the
because when we have this conversation again, when Bitcoin's worth 100,000,
right? Or I think more like 207,000. But anyway,
always a good time to buy a Bitcoin. Yeah.
Right.
Oh my word.
So, all right. Well, I think that's a nice little update.
Yeah, that sounds good, man. We'll do another one. Hey guys, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification. And if you guys got any questions on coin reviews, your thoughts on crypto, also, more importantly, we want you to share with us things that you know about crypto that we don't know about. Because guys, sometimes in these videos, we talk about things that we honestly don't know about. A lot of the time we talk about things in these videos that we don't know about, but
that's why it's entertainment.
Yeah, but it's important that we don't know it all. We want you guys to educate us, talk to us about crypto. We actually had a guy recently talk to us about a live that we just recently did, actually. We were talking about Bitcoin SV, and he actually corrected me and saying, and I'm going to do some research on this a little bit too, but he said that it actually wasn't a Bitcoin fork.
It wasn't.
I thought that's what he said. He said it was actually
Bitcoin
developed.
Cash was the fork.
Right. So, little things like that, correct us, talk to us, educate us, because this is one big fam that we're just trying to build a channel on to have fun, talk about crypto, educate each other. None of us are financial advisors. Let's do it. Let's talk about it.
All right, everybody have a great